Hey guys, I got these yesterday and I opened them this evening. That's about like 40 minutes ago, and one of them seemed to be faulty. I'm not sure which one it is since I lined them up randomly. Gonna test them now. I'm doing this just for proof that they're still in perfect condition, clean, out of the box. And okay. Alright. I think that's alright. Hopefully it won't have problems later on. Okay. Guess I will do. Switch this on. Oh, okay. It's not this one. You see that? Alright, I guess it's the last one then. Now regarding the problem, this one, well, in the beginning it was working fine, but after I barely used it, I couldn't go back anymore. And there it is. Oh, it's making something. Oh yeah, and the motor heats up. I can't pretty much do anything. Oh, the steering is fine. It's just, it doesn't just go reverse. Well, that's pretty much my review. And I already called T-Mart for a return or replacement. And thanks guys.